Bro, beautiful fucking day here in Kentucky. Yes, sir. But check it out. I'm about to put this beautiful 1990 Mazda Miata up for sale here soon. But before we get into it, I need to replace the ignition switch. I know you noticed that the seat's missing out of here, but I had to borrow it for a Unos Roadster. But yes, like I said, we got to replace this ignition switch thanks to my good friends at Miata. They always take care of me, man. So let's dive right in. Let's get it. When I'm dealing with anything electrical at all, always disconnect the battery. Be safe. You don't want to get shocked. I mean, that's just me. But that's what we're doing when we're changing out this ignition switch. Located under the dash here, you're going to need to take out these two Phillips screws. Don't mind my nails, man. Sometimes I get some really bad anxiety, man. I bite them hoes. So, yeah. Those two out. Already kind of loose because I did it prior, but I was like, let me make a YouTube video. Boom. Once you get that out, this is the ignition switch right here. There's going to be a tiny screw right. Trying to see if I can see it. It's behind this thing. Right there. Oh my gosh. This tiny screw. Boom. Now that spot is kind of rough to get into, so I'm gonna take this. Check it out. Put it on this, and we should be golden. Boom, screws out. Once that's done, this should slide right out of here. After that, disconnect this. Oh yeah, look at this. I mean, it shouldn't look too bad, but we're gonna change it out. She's in. Now we're gonna put it back over here. Boom, it only go in one way, so boom. I better go meet este pinche taco. Taco break with the family real quick. Once that's in, we're gonna put this poquito screw back in place. And one of the last things you're gonna do is you're gonna put the two screws that cover the ignition switch back on. Look at this old ass lady right here.
Wait, no. Hold on.
You're crazy. This thing drives like a fucking dream, dude. God, I love it. I love it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Ignition switch, Mazda Miata. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. This thing has 83,436 original miles. I'll be bidding up for sale here soon once I fix tiny things like this and some other cosmetic minor things. I want to make her almost perfect. So if any of my friends want to hop on this, I mean like on this, not, yeah. Please let me know and y'all can check it out before I start doing these things, or if you want first dibs. But let's pop the hood. Fun fact, I have asthma, so if I'm ever out of breath or breathing heavy, that is why. What? Fixed dipstick? The preventative maintenance that's been done is the water pump, timing, crank seal, cam seal, and the thermostat. And that's been done professionally. Has a 5-year, 50,000-mile warranty. The only things that I have done is the spark plugs, the wires, and the oil change. But other than that, she sits in this garage. Gets driven rarely, but yeah, she's a beauty. So if you have any questions, concerns, comments, want to check it out, want to buy before I even get into this, let me know. But until then, say no mas.